More than 130 teachers serving as gender champions in their respective schools took part in a workshop aimed at breaking gender biases within learning institutions. The teachers learned how to identify and address gender biases that often go unnoticed during the workshop held in Murang'a.
A great teacher always goes an extra mile. And what is that extra mile? It is what we are doing today.
Equity Kagio branch manager Jeff Wanjohi said teachers in their academic teaching also impart life skills that transcend the classroom.
You are shaping the future of the society. You are not just educators, you are leaders in the realm of education. Your guidance shapes the educational journey of your scholars, preparing them to be leaders in their own right. Leadership is not just a title, it is a responsibility.
The participants were encouraged to adopt gender-responsive teaching that includes ensuring boy and girl students had equal opportunities in every sphere of learning.
Do we believe in our students? Do we believe that boys and girls can do well? Let's just ensure that we are putting emphasis of our scholars. We are showing them that they are equally responsible. Give equal opportunities, some tasks to men, some tasks to the ladies. Let them feel involved equally.
The teachers shared their experiences, including stereotypes that illustrated biases against the boy child.
The people we were monitoring were the boys.
Wow.
But we were shocked it is the girls who put their dog on fire. That was a bias. The criminals are the boys. The boys were now the ones running from their dogs with the buckets, going to put out fire in the girls' dog.
The gender-responsive teaching workshop was organized by Equity Group Foundation in collaboration with the Mastercard Foundation and the Ministry of Education. It was aimed at fostering gender sensitization by equipping educators with the tools to create a more inclusive and equitable learning environment.